Hey Piedmont, Dr. Kelly here. I just want to say that I miss you all very much. And today it's my day to do the science video of the day the Piedmont way, but I figured I'd change things up a little bit. Instead of you hearing from me, we're going to hear from a noted scientist. And guess what? Right now, we're getting the feed from this noted scientist to speak with us right now. So without further ado, it is my extreme pleasure to introduce a world-famous scientist, a personal friend and a mentor to me over the years, Professor Timothy Nerd III. Professor, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. First of all, I want to shout out a huge thank you to all the science nerds at Piedmont High School. I'll tell you, when Doc Kelly asked me, hey, do you mind, doing this interview for Piedmont? I said, no, you got these science nerds, the department is awesome. You got Amanda Starnes, she's a nerd. You got Beth Walker, she's a nerd. You got Michelle Kazai, she's a nerd. Sandra Fugate, she's a nerd. You got Hannah Griffith, nerd. And you got Keith Sweeney, he's a nerd. And you got Coach Chappell, quadruple nerd. Every day I've been getting so many questions, and one of the most frequent questions is this: what important facts should we understand during these unsure times? And my answer to it is the pH scale. And I know what you're saying. Nerd, what does the pH scale have to do with anything that's going on today? Well, before you can answer that, you got to understand the pH scale. So let's look at it. First of all, pH means potential hydrogen. And it's a measure of the concentration of hydrogen ions in relationship to the concentration of hydroxide ions. If you have an excess of hydrogen ions, you're an acid. If you have an excess of hydroxide ions, you're a base. The pH scale goes from 1 to 14. 7 is neutral. Anything less than 7 is an acid. Anything greater than 7 is a base. You know that acids are sour, and they're not slippery, and bases are bitter, and they are slippery. Also, I want you to remember one thing. As you go further away from 7 to the left, the acidity increases. As you go closer to the 14 to the right, you're getting more of a base. Basicity is increasing. Here's some examples. Number one example is a lemon. A lemon has a pH of 2 or 3. And that means it's acidic. And let me tell you one thing. It's 10,000 to 100,000 times more acidic than water. Another example is a Sour Patch Kid. And these Sour Patch Kids have a pH of 3. Now, which is shocking is this, is that battery acid has a acidity of 1. Therefore, any candy that has a pH less than 4 is going to start breaking down the enamel on your teeth. So, this is what you got to do. If you eat these little Sour Patch Kids, the best thing you can do is run into your bathroom and then take some toothpaste, put it on your toothbrush that has fluoride, and brush your teeth. At least that'll neutralize the damage that you're doing as you eat these Sour Patch Kids. One of the best examples of a base that I like to use is Blue Dawn. I use Blue Dawn for everything. I wash with Blue Dawn. I do my dishes with Blue Dawn. Blue Dawn is, I do my windows with Blue Dawn. It's just a fabulous thing. But let me tell you what's important about this Blue Dawn. It belongs to a category of surfactants. Now, surfactants increase surface area. And it increases surface area between solids and liquids. So what happens, part of the surfactant attracts the water, and the other part, the grease or the solid, right, or the dirt. Hence, it breaks it down, and you got clean all over the place. Another big question is, they go, nerd, the bowling alleys are closed, the movie theaters are closed. We're going nuts, staying home. What can we do? I'm telling you what you're going to do. You're going to use some of these examples that I talked about with pH, and you're going to have some fun with it. All right, remember I told you we're going to play some activities? There's the lemon. We're going to use this as our bowling ball. And there's the Sour Patch Kids. What you do is you just go and you roll the ball and... Oh my God. Wait a minute. All right, I'm going to throw the ball, and it bounces over. All right, so there you go. It's fun. All right, in this activity, we're going to show you how, a lot of the nerds turn around to me and they go, Nerd, with the gyms are closed, I can't get the exercise that I usually get. What can I do? And I said, hey, pH again. All you need is a little blue dawn. But before you do that, the first thing you got to do is you got to take your shoes off. You can see I've got some nice cons on there. I'm sporting those cons. Very nice. And take the other one off. And I'll take my socks off. Very nice socks. Argyles. Alright. Now, what you need is just a little blue dawn. And you gotta use a little bit of water. And just move it around a little bit. You just gotta make sure you spread it out nice and easy. And you got yourself a treadmill. You can put your earbuds on. And you can listen to music. I'm watching my video right now. And I'm getting my exercise. So anyway, you have a good time at home, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.